Welcome back to CarWash College Online. I'm back here with Scott Utley, and we're both in front of our Aqua-Lab 3 panel. And Scott, we're going to get up into the upper panel part of it today where the air manifolds are, and we're going to replace an air solenoid, correct?
Yep.
And why are we changing out this solenoid?
We're just going to go through the process of changing it out. Sometimes we have issues with air solenoid coil could be bad, so we're going to take it apart so we can show people how to take it apart. Could be a bad coil. Internally, the valve could be a lot of buildup, bad air going into it, gummed up, can't get it to free up, need to replace it. Could be manufacturer defect from our supplier that we didn't know about, and stuff went out. Needed to cover it under warranty, whatever the case may be. So things like that.
So the first step is always going to be?
We're going to lock out, tag out, anything dealing with a pump that's on our system. We recommend locking it out.
Okay, let's do that first. I assume since we're working on this panel, we're going to turn the air off and the water as well?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm going to turn the water off here at the ball valve. I'm going to come over here, we're going to turn the air supply off. Okay. We're going to come up, open up the door here. We're going to actually remove our main cover here,
okay.
Front panel, to give access to our valve node here. There's still air built up here in our manifold. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually bleed off the air by pushing and holding one of the red bypass buttons on one of our air solenoids here. It's going to basically force open one of these valves. We try to pick one where there's nothing hooked up to it so it can just bleed out the water as well as air pressure out. So we're just going to push and hold it. Until it's all out. And then we're ready to go at replacing the air solenoid.
All right, let's see it.
All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go at replacing air solenoid here, number 7.
Okay.
So what we're going to do is we're going to remove your air lines here. So we got 2 air lines, one that feeds the air or the actual water valve or man valve down here. That's for the valve operation. And then we have one that feeds off to our foaming air regulator. So if we have a foaming product, we're using that same air supply. We're splitting it, one for foaming air and then one for actual water valve operation.
Okay.
So on this, we look at it. This is a good time to take a picture or mark your air lines, which one's going, top going to your foaming air, bottom is going to your water valve.
Okay. Are they different lengths, obviously, since one's running all the way down here and one's going there, so we would know that way?
Yep, absolutely. The thing that gets kind of confusing is when you get over to here with number 1, because number 1 has 3 air regulators that ties to number 1 because it's set up for a triple foam manifold for independent operation of your 3 different colors. So number 1 comes as splits, and that's where this gets really confusing. Because it's using 2 lines going in here, so that's where we recommend marking them just to be on the safe side or taking a picture.
Okay.
So we're going to disconnect our air lines. It's just a standard push to connect fitting. You go ahead and you push your air line in, push down around the outer ring, and pull straight out.
Got it.